In today's video, I'm going to teach you what to pack for Yale College, focusing on the student essentials that will make your life much easier throughout the school year. So let's dive in and explore the must-haves and the don't needs to help you get your packing right. First things first, let's talk about items you definitely want to pack. You might not think of this right away, but having a pair of scissors is incredibly useful. Many students forget to bring them, and you'll be surprised at how often you find yourself needing them, not only on move-in day, but pretty much all year round. Next, a full-length mirror might seem like a luxury, but trust me, it's a lifesaver when you're getting ready in the mornings. It's one of those items that once you have, you'll wonder how you ever got by without it. Do make sure it's securely placed because a shattered mirror is not what you want at the end of the school year. Another essential is a first aid kit and a good stock of medicines. College life can be tough, and getting sick is almost inevitable, especially at the start of the year. A basic first aid kit is a great start, but make sure to include cold and flu medicines, as well as plenty of band-aids. You might not just be using it for yourself, but helping out your friends too. Then there's the topic of staying cool. Fans are absolutely essential, particularly because most dorms don't have air conditioning. Those first few weeks can get really hot, so having a good combination, like a box fan and a tower fan, can really make a difference in your comfort level. Many students worry about space, but trust me, it's well worth finding room for these. Now let's flip the script and talk about what not to bring. First up, resist the urge to bring every single piece of clothing you own. While it's tempting to have all your options, space is limited, and you'll likely accumulate more clothes during the year. Prioritize what you actually wear to make move-in and move out much smoother. If you're considering a Brita pitcher, maybe think again. You'll find water bottle refilling stations in almost every building on campus, making a reusable water bottle a more practical choice. When it comes to school supplies, less is more. Things like big binders and stacks of paper can be left at home, as most of your work will be done digitally. A good laptop, writing instruments, and a calculator should cover you nicely. Lastly, foregoing a personal printer can save both space and money. Campus printers are readily available and inexpensive, so unless you plan on mass printing all the time, you can skip this bulky item. Bear in mind this isn't an exhaustive list, but it should give you a good foundation for what to pack. Yale offers plenty of resources to assist with your move-in, from staff advice to recommended packing lists, ensuring your transition is a breeze. With the right preparation, your move to Yale College can be smooth and stress-free.